Hello, this is a video to show you how to refill your MegaTank and EcoTank Canon and Epson printers. The same procedure is used. So let's get started. First, you lift up the cover. It should lock in place, and then you open these little lids, and you will notice a hole. If you have an EcoTank, you might notice a much smaller hole that's a circle split in half. And if you just stick this syringe into one of those halves to pour the ink in, that will do. So let's get started on how to get the ink in there. Just put the needle and syringe in your ink bottle. This one's almost empty, so it needs to be done from an angle. And you just put it in there and squeeze the ink in. You'll notice the ink level go up a little bit, and you're gonna have to repeat this process until it's up to below the last line here. Do not go above that line, and that goes for all of them. And you should also never be under the bottom line. That's pretty much it. You just repeat this process until you're done, and then you're ready to print. Thanks for watching.